Okay, Antonio, I'm going to try to do this before my battery runs out. I got 23 minutes. It shouldn't take me that long. This is to make the best, most flaky crust you ever had in your life. Let's lay out some plastic wrap first. All right. Put this on the side here. Okay. It's 1 1/4 cups of flour. Oh, I'm rushing here, I don't want to rush. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1 1/4 cups of flour. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Now we have to cut up the butter. Can't see the picture. Hopefully I'm in the center of the picture. I think I am. Everything has to be cold. You want your butter to be cold and you want your water to be cold. If you want, you can have the bowl cold. I don't find you need it, but the bowl could. You can put that in the fridge. You can put the flour in the fridge. I don't need that. I don't think you need to do that either. But the water, at least the water and the butter has to be cold. Okay. The serrated knives, these bread knives, seem to cut, not cut best, but the butter doesn't stick to them. I don't know why. Let's cut it up. Okay, let's get rid of that. Throw the butter in here. You can add salt if you want, you can add sugar. I don't add anything. I guess if you don't have any salt in whatever you're putting in the crust, then you could add some salt. This is a pastry cutter, $6 or $7 at Walmart, free shipping. And you just cut the butter in. I cut it in. Let me put something under here because I'm going to mark up the counter. I keep cutting up the butter until it doesn't clog the blades. And the flour should kind of look like chunky, you know. Keep cutting the butter in. Stick of butter, 1 1/4 cup of flour. You know, I could probably turn that thing around. Let me see. I think I'm able to see myself in this thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can see. Okay. Welcome to the age of modern technology. See, it's not clogging the blade, but we'll keep going a little. Nope, I don't think you can overdo this, but you don't have to do too much. You could do this with a knife if you don't have a pastry cutter. You could do it with a fork. You see, the blade's just, there's minimal clogging. We're almost done. Do a little more. Now this is going to call for a 1/4 cup of, the recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of water. I think that's a little too dry for what I like. I like to have the pastry be a little sticky. The stickier it is without it being disgusting and like slime, the flakier it is. if it's dry, it's going to be a crumbly crust, which is okay. But you're not going to be able to, it's going to be difficult to roll a crumbly crust. Okay, so that's good. You see how that looks? I like that. It's kind of like crumbly. Now let's get the water. So I use just under a third cup of water, and that makes a nice flaky crust. Put it in there. If it comes out too dry, you could add more water. If it comes out too wet, you could add more flour. Oh, this is going to be perfect. I'm doing this one is going to be for a quiche. Doesn't need salt in it because there's going to be plenty of salt in the quiche. I'll probably put ham or sausage in it. See, it sticks a little to my fingers, and that's the crust I like. And if you change the oil on your car before doing this, then it gives it a little Pennzoil flavor. Keep going. Keep mushing it. And that's it. It's a little sticky. And this is going to be perfect. This is going to be beautiful. See if I can. And it's going to roll out very easily. When it's a little sticky, it rolls out. Make it kind of thin. It rolls out nicely. When it's crumbly, when it's dry. I mean, crumbly crust has served their purpose, but they're difficult to roll out. Okay. Wash my hands quickly. Okay. Just going to wrap it up. There you go. Put it in the fridge. Keep it in there for a couple hours, and then you can do whatever you want with it. If you have to freeze it, you can freeze it. If you put it in the fridge, it's good for probably good for 2 days, maybe 3 days. I think I might have even gone longer. If you freeze it, you can freeze it for however long you want to freeze it. Then you throw it out and you use it. Okay. Good luck.